Something just dropped that could totally change the foldable game, an actual real-world glimpse at Samsung's next-gen Galaxy Z Fold 7. Picture this, a mysterious, ultra-sleek, transparent case popping up straight from China, casually sparking wild excitement online. It's side-by-side with last year's Fold 6 case, and the differences? Subtle but massive. Squared corners, refined camera cutouts, and a design that screams, "We're getting bolder." Is this the Fold 7's final look, or just a prototype tease? Either way, with Galaxy Unpacked 2025 looming, Samsung is clearly whispering, brace yourselves. Hey, welcome back! Sam here. If you love tech as much as I do, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more awesome updates. Let's dive in. First off, the Fold 7's case looks visibly slimmer than its predecessor, finally tackling the notorious bulk issue that's been a thorn for foldable fans. And here's a cool twist. It's not just slimmer, but also wider. That could mean a bigger, more useful cover screen and an ultra-comfy grip. Samsung's clearly aiming to outclass rivals like the Pixel Fold and OnePlus Open by listening closely to what users really want. It's the little things with huge impact. Now here's a curveball. The Fold 7 is reportedly sticking with the same 25W charging speed and 400 mAh battery as last year's model. Wait, what? Yep, even Samsung's budget A-series phones outpace this with 45W charging. For a phone expected to cost over $1,500, that's disappointing, to say the least. But hey, maybe better battery efficiency will soften the blow. Leaked photos have also stirred the pot, showing the Fold 7 from the camera side with some subtle but smart upgrades. The LED flash is now centered, the corners borrow the sleek roundness of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the signature color hints at a premium vibe. The cover screen reportedly jumps from 6.3 inches to 6.5 inches, while the main display could stretch up to a massive 8.2 inches. Imagine multitasking and gaming on that beast. Under the hood, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite for the Fold 7 and an efficient Exynos 2500 powering the Flip 7. Both will ship with Android 16 and energy-saving displays. Plus, Samsung's using a titanium hinge, light, durable, and a serious upgrade from before. This hinge tech even hints at future trifolds. Samsung isn't messing around. Tech insiders spill that Samsung re-engineered the hinge for smoother folds, upgraded the inner display layering for better clarity and durability, added a new vapor chamber for heat control, and improved the ultra-thin glass for flexibility. It's like Samsung took a masterclass on foldable perfection. The Fold 7 boasts an ultra-slim 4mm profile when unfolded and a sleek 9mm thickness folded. There's also a slightly wider gap between the folded halves, designed to protect the screen better, little details that scream premium engineering. Rumors say the Fold 7 could launch in July with a whopping 200MP main camera. Yeah, you heard that right, 200 megapixels, a leap from the Fold 6's 50MP. That's DSLR-level quality packed into a foldable phone. Plus, whispers of an improved under-display selfie camera and solid ultra-wide and telephoto lenses make this a photographer's dream. Both screens are rumored to run at a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gamers and multitaskers alike. RAM stays at 12GB, with up to 1TB storage. So, plenty of power and space for your apps and media. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is also getting some love. Thinner bezels, a bigger 4-inch cover screen, and a larger 6.85-inch inner display, making it feel more premium and modern. Samsung is clearly upgrading the whole foldable lineup. On the software front, Samsung is skipping One UI 7 and jumping straight to One UI 8 with Android 16. Expect fresher visuals, smoother animations, and more Galaxy AI features that'll make your device smarter and more intuitive. We're also hearing about a broader Samsung ecosystem refresh, the Galaxy Watch 8 with better health tracking and battery life, the rugged Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, and even a smart ring called Galaxy Ring 2, and the wild card, a Galaxy XR headset co-developed with Google and Qualcomm, hinting at Samsung's bold move into extended reality. Samsung's production is ramping up fast, with panels for these foldables made in South Korea and assembled in Vietnam, targeting mass production very soon. This lineup isn't just about phones. It's a statement. Samsung is racing ahead in the foldable future, even as Apple supposedly preps its own foldable debut. So what's the bottom line? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 looks like a masterpiece in the making, slimmer, stronger, smarter, and more stunning than ever before. Whether you're a multitasker, a photographer, or just love cutting-edge tech, this foldable might be the gadget that finally nails it all. Thanks for sticking with me. If you're pumped about the Fold 7 or just love geeky tech talk, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.